Rima here. So we are ending 1.25% higher. For the week, it's a 3% gain on the Nifty. You look at what's happening on the Bank Nifty, that's for the daily and the weekly, 1% today. And for the week, with a holiday in between, it's 2.5%, so a little less than what we saw on the Nifty. Midcap and small cap indices, 0.65 today, so picked up pace in the last 60 minutes of trade. For the week, the midcap index is up 2.75%, and I think the small cap index 0.5% higher, so lagging a little bit today. But for the week, 2%. Again, I mean, lagging for the week as well. So the strongest out of the four indices I mentioned, Nifty, the midcap comes in at number 2, Bank Nifty, and then you've got the small cap index there, which has done so well, but it's now starting to not stall. 2% is nothing to scoff at for the week, but it's basically at similar levels at the high point in the previous week. Rima.
Well, and today we touched the 19,200 mark as well. 19,201 is now the new all-time high on the market, and we're pretty much closing at the day's high. The big gainers: M&M, Hero MotoCorp in the auto pack. IT led from the front, led by Infosys, TCS. L&T was a big mover with a rally of 2.5%. In the pharma pack, it's Sun Pharma which stands out. IndusInd Bank gets the top honors in the banking pack. On the losing side, Adani Ports slips about 2%. Apollo Hospitals was a bit subdued in trade. Bajaj Auto is down 0.5% ahead of the monthly sales numbers tomorrow. ICICI Bank didn't participate, so it opened in the green, but by the close of trade, it was down close to about 0.4%. But not too much to complain, not too many stocks in the red.
Oh, not too much to complain at all, considering how the market's closed up practically at the highest levels of the day. So it's really all guns blazing. Today, the mid-cap index did take a backseat. It was once again all about the big boys today, because you have the mid-cap index up 0.6% versus the Nifty's rally of almost 1.2%. The advance decline ratio was still healthy, though. You have over 1,600 stocks advancing, 1,300 odd declining. So I'll quickly talk about some of the major movers and shakers. In terms of the key gainers today, of course, the AMCs have been a big talking point. So let's pull them up for you. The final tally on HDFC AMC is about 12%. Nippon Life about 12% again. UTI AMC 8%. Aditya Birla Sun Life AMC flattened out. It was the lowest performing of the lot. Pretty much fizzled out in terms of the gains. Anyway, let's stick to the gainers then and talk about some of the other key movers and shakers. In terms of the action, 63 moves, of course, because of that tie-up with MCX. MCX was trending lower, down about 10-11%. 63 moons. Well, it was really up and away on this one stock, gain of almost 12%. Indiabulls, Housing, Karnataka Bank, Bajaj Hindustan, Biocon up 8%. Big one there. JNK Bank, JK Tyre, 14-15%. JBM Auto, 8-9%. It's just a really, really long list of winners that we can go on and on with. But overall, not a bad session for the mid-cap market. And of course, for the Nifty and for the Bank Nifty, it was gains pretty much all the way. So we are ending the week, just to kind of wrap up the action, with the Nifty in just 4 trading sessions, seeing a gain of almost 2.8%. The Bank Nifty has seen a gain of about 2.5%, and the mid-cap index also going home with decent winnings. So not a bad week at all.
A sparkling one, you would say, but need to slip into a break. But on the other side, a very interesting conversation with Manish Chokhani of Enam Holding comes up. Stay tuned.